Comfortable fit and work fine. Great gloves, I use them for SMAW and they provide excellent heat resistant. Excellent heat protection. It is still leather, so it will burn. The heat transfer is very minimal though. I found them to be quite stiff and restrictive when I first put them on, however they loosen right up after 10 to 15 minutes of use. Holding up well. These are very comfortable gloves. I have used them for both stick welding and grinding. Great heat resistance and very durable. I would definitely buy another pair when this one wears out. Great pair of gloves. 100 times better than the last brand I purchased. Great gloves at a great price. So I watched a YouTuber make a video suggestion of welding gloves for camping kitchen. Man, he was so right. Not only can I safely remove a pot or logs from a fire, I can also use these for avoid splinters from handling logs. I use them as pot holders so they don't burn the picnic table or my plastic tables from hot spots. Plenty of uses and these suckers work great. Durable and within a week they are broken in and very comfortable. Click link in description for more reviews. Please click the link below for more information. Please subscribe to my channel for more great products. Please use my affiliate links to support my channel.